Do you teach design technology? We do too. But we got fed up. With lesson planning, outdated projects, constant paperwork, and having to budget per pupil. Then we had an idea. A way to cut paperwork and get back to what we love doing, teaching design technology. The DT Project was born, a place you can go to get everything prepared for your lessons. A place run for design technology teachers by design technology teachers. The DTproject.com offers entire projects, personalised to your students and costed on a per pupil basis. We offer exam-linked schemes of work, high-quality lesson plans, resources, ready-cut materials and anything else you might need. There are 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose from our extensive range of projects and let us know how many students you teach. Step 2. Order your selection there and then. Step 3. We send you our DT project packs. And step 4. Teach. So whether you teach product design, resistant materials, engineering, graphics, textiles, food technology, or systems control and electronics, let the DT project do the planning for you, so you can get on with what you do best, teaching. Visit thedtproject.com to find out more.